history of herbs, acai. According to Brazilian folklore, a tribal chief ordered all newborn children were to be sacrificed to offset the effects of starvation on the tribe's growing population. The chief made no exception, even when his own daughter became pregnant and gave birth to a child. Heartbroken, the chief's daughter spent days and nights weeping for her lost child, until one night, according to the legend, she heard the sound of a crying baby echoing from the woods. Following the sound, the child's daughter found her little girl sitting on the roots of a large palm tree. As she reached out and hugged her daughter, the child vanished. The next morning, the villagers summoned the chief. They discovered his daughter's lifeless body, still clinging to the palm tree, with her eyes fixed on something above. As the chief and villagers glanced up, they saw small, round black fruits hanging down from the vines. The palm tree, full of fruit, could feed the entire village. The chief decided to revoke the law, and it is said he named the tree after his daughter by reversing the letters of her name. This is how the acai, or crying fruit, got its name. Growing abundantly throughout the Amazon, the acai palm tree has provided food for hundreds of years to the people of Brazil. Resembling a grape, the acai berry grew in popularity and is used as a superfood, providing vitamins, proteins, antioxidants, and minerals. Though thousands of miles away from the Amazon rainforest, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil is where the acai berry gained its popularity. World-renowned jiu-jitsu practitioner Carlos Gracie established his own brand of diet called the Gracie Diet, which sought to maximize the performance of his fighters. At the center of this diet was the Acai Bowl, which consists of frozen acai pulp blended with banana. The acai berry can be blended for smoothies, dried and put into bars, or just eaten plain, which is why this versatile fruit is ideal for those on the go. Thank you for watching The History of Herbs. Brought to you by Dherbs.com.